Hey guys, and welcome back to Social Studies. Today we are finishing out Lesson 2 in Social Studies by doing a research project this week. So we will work on this project throughout the week, and if you have questions during it, you're going to be able to approach me during Zoom calls, during Social Studies Zoom calls in the morning from 9:15 to 10 o'clock when we go to computers. So the whole point of this is for you to choose one place that we've learned about and more, and you'll be able to choose one of those places and do some research on them to learn more about them and share your knowledge with the rest of the class. So you're going to be using these landmarks that are here listed for us. U.S. landmarks and monuments, pick one to learn about. So you have Hoover Dam, the Liberty Bell, Independence Hall, Lincoln Memorial, the White House, the National Mall, Washington Monument, the Gateway Arch, Freedom Tower, which is One World Trade Center, and the Empire State Building. There's some resources down here below this. You don't use this as a resource. This is your actual project. But the American History for Kids, Fact Monster, National Geographic Kids, and Kids Encyclopedia Facts are all places that you can use to research your item. Now, I'm going to go through how to complete your project when going through your slides. So as I do this, I'm going to give you step-by-step directions. This is not due until the 8th. So when we look at the calendar, we see that the 8th is on Friday. So you have until Friday to complete this assignment, but that does not mean to wait until Friday. That means work on it throughout the week and find a time that you're working on it where you have questions and make sure you ask. So when you click on the slideshow, you're going to come up with this. You're going to have your own, so it will be yours, and you'll be able to edit it. So when you're in this setup, it says all about, and it says type the name of the landmark or monument name. So depending on which one of these you picked, you're going to put that title right here. So you'll put the title in this box. Next, you're going to insert a picture here. And the way you do that is you go Insert, Image, and Search Web. So Insert, Image, Search Web. So once you're in this here, you can search for, let's say, the White House. And once you do that search, it'll come up with pictures that you can insert right there by clicking on the picture. Then make sure you delete this and put your name. So make sure when you add the title of your project, whoopsies, you're going to make sure you delete where it says type the name. So you don't want that to be there anymore. You want to get rid of it. Same with type your name here, get rid of it. And then put your name. Then where blank is located. So this is the name of your of your monument is going to be right here. You got to delete that and put the name of yours. Where is it located? Hint, hint. All of them are right here, the answers to that. So where is it located? To get there from New Jersey, I would need to travel in this direction. So when you look at the map, where is it located, the one that you chose, and which direction would you travel to get there? So then when you come here, drag the star over where it's located. So you want to click this star, and then you want to drag your mouse to where you see it is the four-way thing. Oh boy, I'm moving my map. Grab the star, and then grab and move the star to the location of your monument. Next, why blank? So this is the name of your monument. You want to get rid of that and put your name. Why blank is famous and why people visit it. So why do people visit it? Why is it famous? Insert a new picture in this box. So you're going to highlight this, delete it, and then click Insert and Image and Search Web. List 3 reasons why people want to travel there or why it's famous. Next, interesting facts I learned about and the name of your monument. What is the fact you learned? And can you add a picture of that fact? Number 2, another fact you learned, and a picture showing the fact. You could either show like the fact itself, or like let's say that it's something about that item, like the height of it. You could show how tall it is by showing a picture of it. If it's the size or the color, something like that, like a fact about it, even something that you see on it. So when we talked about, let's say, what was something we talked about? Wow, the Statue of Liberty. You could say that it has a torch on the top. That's a fact. And you could have a picture of the torch, right? Once you're done with the facts, why I would like to visit your monument. So make sure you take this out and put your name of your monument. What are 2 reasons you'd want to visit it? And then insert a picture of that monument. Again, you're going to want to pick different pictures each time so it looks cool and not boring because it's the same picture every time. If I visited blank, I would, what would you do? Type one thing you would do while you're there. Type another thing you would do while you're there. So if you were there, what 2 things would you do? And insert a picture of that item. Find a short video that shows your landmark or monument and add a title for your video here. So you're going to go to insert video and you're going to search web. So insert video, and then when it gets to this, you have to search it. So let's say you were doing the White House. You could click on this and you could find what's inside the White House. So like there's all these different things, but you could also go to YouTube and you can actually look at the videos that they have to offer. And once you're looking at the videos they have to offer, you can find one that you like. So let's say I was going to say White House. And then as they see the White House, well, what's inside the White House? So I can watch this video. I decide if I like it. If I like the video, I can click on the share button and I can get the copy of this. You see the link address. And then when I come back, I can actually just put it here. I can paste it and search for it. And now it's just that video that I found already in YouTube because I clicked the share button and then I've clicked the copy button. So, you know, you can use that as a way to find your video, and then you're going to insert that video here. So you're going to have the title of your video and your video here so other people can learn about your topic. And that's due on Friday. So do maybe 2 slides a day would get you done by Friday, and probably get you done a little earlier. So then you'd have time for me to look at it and see if there's anything you need to fix. So get this done, turn it in when you're done so I can look it over and I'll send it back to you, or I'll grade it based on how well you did. But you only have about 40 minutes per day to work on it. So unless if you choose to work on it on your own time. But this is due on Friday and it is a test grade. So make sure you do your best work. All right, guys, palm it.